Legends of Learning presents the Candy Factory game. This is a science game that makes learning about forces and motion fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, the elves run out of energy to produce candy, so they will have to use forces and motion to continue production. Use the mouse to click to place elves on the production line to make sure all the candy are delivered to the end point of the production cycle without breaking any of the candy. Use different elves with different pushing and pulling forces to complete each puzzle to complete the candy production line to move on to the next level. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.